Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with MJ. Today we are looking at the topic role of a teacher. Role of a teacher. Teachers are the backbone of any society. There are several roles a teacher plays to make our society stronger. The way a teacher can lead students is varied from teacher to teacher. Teachers can play the role in variety of ways, either formally or informally. The following 10 roles are used by many of the teachers frequently to improve the students mentally, physically and socially. It is not only the case that teacher can be a human being, a teacher can be anyone. For example, nature can be a teacher for you if you learn something from the nature. So, nature can also be a teacher for you if you learn something from the nature. Your mother is the best teacher for you because you learnt everything in childhood from your mother. Role of a great teacher. Following are the role of a teacher. So here 10 roles are given. First one as a resource provider, second instructional specialist, third curriculum specialist, fourth classroom supporter, fifth learning facilitator, sixth one mentor, seventh school leader, eighth data coach, ninth catalyst for change, 10th one learner for lifelong. First one, a resource provider. A teacher must help their students and colleagues by sharing instructional resources. The instructional resources might include websites, any instructional documents, any new ideas or other resources to use with the students. Second one, instructional specialist. An instructional specialist always helps colleagues to implement effective teaching strategies in the institution. For example, if your student submits new laboratory reports written in very poor English language, then you invite some English teachers to recommend the strategies for writing the instruction in laboratory reports. Third one is the curriculum specialist. Curriculum specialist must understand the standard of content in the syllabus, how various subjects of the curricula links together and how to use the curriculum such that students can understand better. Classroom supporter. Classroom supporters work inside classrooms to help the teachers implement new ideas, often by demonstrating a lesson, co-teaching or observing and giving feedback. Learning facilitator. Learning facilitator facilitating the professional learning opportunities among staff members is another role for teacher leaders. When teachers learn with and from one another, they can focus on what most directly improves student learning. Their professional learning becomes more relevant, focused on teachers' classroom work, and aligned to fill gaps in student learning. Such communities of learning can break the norms of isolation present in many schools. Mentor. Serving as a mentor for novice teachers is a common role for teacher leaders. Mentors serve as role models, acclimate new teachers to a new school, and advise new teachers about instruction, curriculum, procedure, practices, and politics. Being a mentor takes a great deal of time and expertise and makes a significant contribution to the development of a new profession. School leader. Being a school leader means serving on a committee such as school improvement team, acting as a grade level or department chair, supporting school initiatives, or representing the school on community or district task forces or committees. A school leader shares the vision of the school, aligns his or her professional goals with those of the school and district, and shares responsibility for the success of the school as a whole. Data coach. Although teachers have access to a great deal of data, they do not often use that data to drive classroom instruction. Teacher leaders can lead conversations that engage their peers in analyzing and using this information to strengthen instruction. Catalyst for change. Teacher leaders can also be catalysts for change. Teachers who take on the catalyst role feel secure in their own work and have a strong commitment to continual improvement. They pose questions to generate analysis of student learning. Learner for lifelong. Among the most important roles teacher leaders assume is that of leader. Learners model continual improvement, demonstrate lifelong learning, and use what they learn to help all students achieve. Roles for all teachers exhibit leadership in multiple, sometimes overlapping ways. Some leadership roles are formal, with designated responsibilities. Other more informal roles emerge as teachers interact with the students. The variety of roles ensures that teachers can find ways to lead that fit their talents and interests. Regardless of the roles they assume, teacher leaders shape the culture of their schools, improve student learning, and influence practice among their peers. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for getting more and more videos.